Hello, I'm Jeffrey Tennant, and trading is closed on December 30th. There wasn't much of a range in today's market, but I think it could turn out to be a pretty interesting day. There was a mejt target from Friday of 1840.64, and that printed and became a support resistance area. We still have the target from the ultimate signal on the 26th, 1837.27 minus, and ultimately I have little doubt that that target will print at some time. There were a number of moves in the market today, and mejt advised against jumping on board with any of them. It said all these moves would be false, and they all did retrace, and it said so even though it said lower prices would print early in the day. This was kind of interesting based on factors outside the mejt system. I had said earlier that I was looking for a high in the market around December 31st. It's somewhere around this price from the 26th. I said it would be more likely that we would drop immediately if we could take out this low, but when we took out the low, mejt said it would not stick, that it was a false break, and so that would keep one from jumping along the train that appeared to be heading south. There's no mejt target specifically for tomorrow, but in general, if we can hold this low, it's usually positive if we drop early and rally the rest of the day. I would still like to see this gap revisited. I'd like to see a high, most likely around the price of that gap tomorrow. Whether or not we get it or not, I don't know, but I think that's the most likely scenario for the 31st as long as this low holds. Longer term, we have a number of things outside the system which look pretty ominous to me, and I'd be very careful for anyone holding long positions early in the year if we get the immediate break that I think is likely. And that's today's call.